yellow one here, with some more cars here for our league. It's a team Clint Boyer. We got the number 64 2016 McMurray Nationwide car. 16 Budget for 2007 Omni Quest. Number 72 Dark Knight Rises car. Just an exhibition car. You should know which one this is. The number 1 McDonald's car, Ken McMurray. The 51 Exxon car, which I don't know the driver. I do know the driver right here. Yes, the Snickers car of 2007 Duo. Enough of those cars, there are 3 more. That's the 26 of Jim McMurray Irving car. That's the 26. That's the 21 Coast Guard, the Kevin Harvick in the Nationwide Series. And the number 69 CDX Sports number 69 car, no driver. After this, there are more paint schemes coming up for the cars right now. For the Oreo Cup Series, that's a new brand name. The new brand name, Oreo Cup Series. And the paint schemes coming up right after this. Be right back, YouTube.